All right, we have our pumice and our prophy angle, and we are going to pumice those first and second molars, guys. We want to make sure we get into those pits to make sure everything is nice and clean. Now that we pumice, we're gonna do our air water syringe. Make sure everything is nice and clean. Make sure there is no leftover debris. You want to make sure all that pumice is off the tooth. Now with the air water syringe, we are going to make sure everything is nice and dry so everything sticks perfectly. Now we're going to use our cotton rolls to make sure that the edge does not touch the cheek or the tongue. This is an acid, so we want to make sure everything stays nice and isolated. Another reason why you want this to be isolated is due to the sour and bitterness of it. A lot of patients, once they have that taste in their mouth, they usually start to salivate a lot more. So just be mindful to make sure everything stays nice and isolated. Now we wait 10 seconds. Obviously I rushed it here, but we count to 10 Mississippis and we're gonna suction all that edge off. You wanna make sure you use the HVE. That way nothing stays or goes in the back of their throat because it will taste bad. Alright guys, and this is the material we're using, the Ultra Seal. This is really good because you can use this multiple ways. You can use it with edge or you can use it with the bonding agent as well, which you will see at the end. But here with the sealant, I'm making sure all the pits of the tooth and any grooves are sealed. Then I'm gonna go over with a micro brush and make sure there are no bubbles. And then with my light, I cure it. Now with the Explorer, I'm gonna make sure my Explorer does not get stuck on any pits or grooves that I missed, and if I did, I will go and add more material. Now on the other side, I'm gonna show you a different version. This is using the Scotch Bond, which is a bonding agent that helps the material, the sealant material, stick a lot better. A lot of doctors use it this way. So we're gonna do the same thing from the other side, just a little different. We're gonna use our cotton rolls. We're gonna make sure everything is nice and dry. And now we are going to use the Scotch Bond. This is what helps it stick a lot better. Some doctors do recommend it. But after that, we use a micro brush and we apply it on the tooth as you're gonna see right now. And you wanna make sure you get all those pits and all those grooves. That way the material sticks nice and good. Now we're gonna use the curing light. We're gonna cure it for 5 seconds on each tooth. That way it becomes a little bit more sticky or adhesive. It activates the bonding agent. And then you can add your sealant material. And you would do the same process by your sealant material. And then with the micro brush, you would make sure there are no bubbles and everything is spread out evenly. Now, after that, you're going to use your curing light and you're going to cure on each tooth for about 10 to 15 seconds each. Now that that's done, you want to make sure you grab your Explorer and you make sure your Explorer is not getting stuck on any part of the tooth.